This is the number lock. I forgot the combination of numbers and finally found an easiest way to open it, which I'm gonna share it with you. I struggled to open it with all the methods that were already shown on YouTube by other YouTubers. Then I observed the possible ways to open it and I did found an easy way. Observe here, it has 3 sets of locks. We should find each of the number to open it. And our process starts here. Look at the small opening at both the sides of each lock ring. In the zoom view, it looks better. When I put light on one side and its rays comes out from the other side. This is how we can find the number. I am using the mobile torch and the small cardboard. Let's keep the cardboard at the front side of the ring and try to observe if the light is passing or not. When the light is not observed, then change the position of the ring one by one until you get to see the passing light. This 5 minutes process will save you from losing your lock and saving you lot of time without have to visit the key opener shop. Now you can see the light is passing through the small hole. We got the first combination. Now looking from the front view, the number is 3 from the starting point. Now I have set it to 3. Let's find out the second number. Repeat the same process with torch and cardboard. We got the second number. Again looking from the front view, it's 2. Finally move to the third ring. I would like to ask you to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, as well press the bell icon to receive my latest video uploads notification. Please help to grow my channel as I am giving much quality and best content on YouTube, which is saving your money and time. If you have any questions regarding this video, please share your queries in the comment section below. Now the final number is revealed. Open is at right side, so I am turning the lock towards the right side endpoint. Last number is 0. The lock is open. It's a combination of 3, 2 and 0. Let's look at inside view. First is 3, second is 2 and last is 0. I hope this video helped you a lot. Please check out my playlist for more interesting videos. Many thanks for watching this video. We will again meet in the next video.